Hi students, MAHCET MBA application process 2022 has started. In this video, we will show you how to fill the MAHCET application form. First of all, log on to the MAHCET website. On the home page, you will see the link for MBA registration. Click on it to go to MAHCET MBA registration page. On this page, click on New Registration. The new page will show you necessary information. Read it and click on I accept and proceed tab. On the registration page, fill the details asked such as your name, parents' name, gender, marital status, date of birth, region, nationality, address, phone number, and email ID. Also choose a password. An OTP will be shared on your mobile number. Verify the OTP to proceed further. Note the application number flashing on screen and click on Proceed to complete the application form. To complete the application process, log in with the application number and password to sign in. You will see your registration details and the steps that you need to complete to fill the MAHCET application form. There are 9 steps in this process. Now click on Proceed to complete the application form. In the first page, enter personal details and address. In the next page, select domicile and PWD status. Next, fill your graduation details like status, course duration, course, and scores. In the next step, select Test City Preferences. You can select up to 4 cities. Click on Save and Proceed to move to next step. In the next step, upload your passport size photo and scanned signature in the prescribed dimension. In the next step, upload a copy of a valid photo ID card. In the second last step, review the details that you have filled in the MAHCET application form. A pop-up for confirming details will appear. Click on Yes to proceed to payment. Check the fee details and proceed to pay. In the next page, select payment mode and agree to terms and conditions and then click on Proceed. Then enter your card details to complete the MAHCET application process. So this was all about Maharashtra CET MBA application process form submission. Feel free to reach out to us for queries in the comments section below. Stay tuned for college course and entrance exams related information.